Unlock new possibilities with Gemini's latest update. You can now generate a wide range of downloadable files directly from your prompts. Whether you need documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, Gemini has you covered. You can download your Gemini chats directly into files like PDFs and Word docs with just one click. Here's how to do it. Watch this. I'll tell Gemini to create a 7-day workout plan and put it in a table format. It instantly generates this perfect weekly breakdown with exercises and rest days. Now I'll ask Gemini to create a professional PDF for this answer. The PDF file is ready to download. Let's check it. Click download and it goes straight to your device. No more fixing weird formatting in Google Docs. Share this with a friend who uses AI and follow for more tech updates.